You know the emoji with those two hearts on the eyes? I have that permanently stuck to my face. Whole trip. It's like glued to my face everywhere I turn. No wonder I'm walking into things, because I can't help it. Welcome to Paris. Beautiful Eiffel Tower. So I'm here for 5 days with Yves Rocher. I've been invited by the brand. I'm so excited to be here. And I'm going to be learning about the brand, finding out what's new. I'm going to take you through Paris, and then we're going to be leaving Paris, and we're going to be going to their botanical gardens, and I'm going to take you with me. Come with me, come with me. We're going to Paris. Beautiful Paris.
Come along with me. Come along with me. Do you wanna?
Finally arrived. Now I'm going to get my bags. Oh my God, you would not believe the journey. 14 hours to get here from Norway. 14! Actually longer. 14 and a half. Merci. Au revoir.
Bonsoir. How was your day?
Long. My flight got cancelled.
Oh.
So I've been flying for 14 hours from Norway. And it's not that far away.
You need a cup of water maybe?
Oh, I need more than that. I need a glass of wine. Arrived, there's a glass of wine, and guess who made it to my room before me? My sister-in-law Ingrid. She flew from Canada. She's my videographer. Oh, it's so nice, that breeze. We just explored first. So we'll have half an hour when we get back to the hotel to quickly change, have a shower, and then meet the team from Yves Rocher and going to a bohemian party. So we'll see what that is about. We're getting our hair and makeup done. A bit spoiled. Yeah, our job tonight is party. Party in Paris, first night, not bad. Oh my goodness, and the air conditioning is on. It's amazing. Aw, look at that. Mademoiselle Liv Judd. We are delighted to welcome you to this event. Thank you very much for coming. We promise you that the days will be full of surprises and a green attitude, but mostly fun and happiness. Enjoy the Parisian run? Light? What does that say? Run. Men? Enjoy the Parisian men. We'll take it like that. And see you very soon. I'm married. Well, we'll find out soon what that means. And this is so exciting. We're going to Alexis Mobile Haute Couture Fall Winter Show. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So many exciting things happening. Okay, now it's time to shower. The theme tonight is Bohemian. And they're going to do my hair with fresh flowers. And I had to pick between either this one or this one. And I'm going with this with, I think it's kind of a side chignon. Or see how good or bad of a job I did of explaining what I'm hoping for. Now it's time to get my face on. Somebody from Yves Rocher is going to do my face. Yeah, I love fresh. I like beautiful. I love beautiful skin, and a pop of color in the lips. Okay. Best tip that I learned today: taking this liner in green, mixing it with my foundation to correct the redness. And I have a lot of redness on my face. Brilliant little tip. Great. Thank you so much. You're welcome. This glass is so cute. I love the pink yellow. So you have to see everybody's had their hair and makeup done. Honestly, it looks like it's the biggest wedding party ever. Did you see how big the bus is compared to the street? As in, there's like yay space on either side of this vintage bus. There is no space. Look how little space there is. It's too big actually for the street. Up, away we go. I'm working off my one croissant. That's it. That's all I've had. So that means I can eat like 10 tomorrow. Oh God, don't look down. Okay, we just huffed it up these set of stairs. I'm gonna hold this because I'm scared I'm gonna drop it. But this is where I'm headed. Patio right there. Yay! Oh my God, I think I just lost my shoe. I didn't. Oh my God, I thought I totally lost my shoe. Then I would have had to walk all the way down. My Pom Pom got stuck underneath. Look how pretty this is.
We'll be together. There's a room right over our heads. We'll share the shelter.
Look at the grapes growing. And that's not a young vine. Isn't it gorgeous?
We'll be together. There's a room right over our heads. We'll share.
Okay, now it's time for a drink. And then after that, I think I might eat the entire plate of burrata cheese. Yeah, let's go get a drink.
I wanna love ya. Yeah, yeah. I wanna love ya every day, every night.
Look at that view.
We'll be together. There's a room right over our heads.
Morning, we're up and out. And I'm going to show you what we're doing, at least this morning. We're going biking. We're going biking through Paris. It's a cute idea. This is my ride. I just customized it. And Ingrid's, she totally MacGyvered it. Check that out. Not bad. And away we go. Here we go, try to get moving. Woo! Straight through traffic. It's actually a very good way to see Paris on a bike. The downside of the heat, biking, so you have the beauty on one side, and then you stop next to a garbage truck. Standing outside of Yves Rocher's very first store, and it opened a little over 50 years ago, and they picked this spot, and originally it was a very small little boutique, and it's across the street from two of the main shopping centers in Paris, Pom Pom, hopefully I'm saying it correctly, and then Galeries Lafayette. Show you the outside of the store. It's covered in florals. That's all real. They're designed by a very famous botanist. They really wanted the essence, or the botanical essence of the brand, to be visible, and you can see that it's like, well, it's greenery that's kind of overflowing, and that's essentially the essence of the brand. So we're going to learn more inside.
Here you can see all our botanical sources. We have around 250 botanical sources around the world. Our main one is Agave, of course, which is Botanical.
This is a worldwide innovation. We are the only one. Average of 40 showers. With this one, the same. Concentrated formula, but with a different texture. With one drop, you can wash all your body. And it's 40% plastic less, 40% carbon dioxide less in the nature, and it's a biodegradable formula.
We have a duty to respect and preserve our planet. That's the reason why we have decided to plant 65 million trees. It's already more than 75 million today, and so on.
Is that common in France? That brands would have a braille book describing the brand or the...
But it's one of our values to be available to all women.
On the road again. Smack in the middle of traffic. Oh, that breeze is amazing. So we just finished 2 bike rides through Paris. We're going to have a picnic. I slide down the hill. We're going to have a picnic in the park. It's so pretty, this little quaint little park with a majestic building. We just left the park after our lovely picnic. So it's Paris Fashion Week, and it's Haute Couture Week, and it's my very first time going to an Haute Couture show. It's so exciting. So we're coming back here to change because we've been biking all day, and the beach is sweaty. Oh, I feel air conditioning.
You gotta listen up.
listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I've never needed you to give me things. I never needed you to.
Arrived at the show. I'm just finding my seat. Here's the runway. Just finished the show. Everybody's filing out. Beautiful show. Very pretty, fluffy, floaty. But I was surprised it was fall winter. It looked like summer, and the colors, pops of colors are gorgeous, but very soft colors. They just gave us a little juice after our third bike ride, but note to self, don't ever go biking in a skirt mid-calf or longer, because look, I kept getting caught in my tires. And then I would slow down and I'm like, I'm not holding the brake. Totally destroyed my skirt. Ah, the things you do for a cute outfit. Okay, so now we're going in here, and it's called the Bubble. So we're gonna find out what that means and drink some much needed refreshments. Cool. I know you can't smell it, but it smells like a garden. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like magical in here. Are they actually alive? The flowers? Or have they been cut? They're alive? Little garden oasis. I don't know if you can hear, but there's an echo. It's like a perfect round sphere. And all of the plants are alive. It's like, it's breathtaking. It's hot. There is a bit of air conditioning. What a magical little spot. And it's right in the center of Paris, just around the corner from the Louvre. And it's only here for the weekend. And we got a lucky sneak peek. So cool. I quickly changed outfits because, well, I had destroyed that skirt. Okay, I found inside. This is mint covered in sugar. And it tastes so good. I look a bit tired. So we've just had a full day in Paris. Now we are back at our hotel. We're just gonna, there's a set of very adorable kids having an afternoon snack. So cute. Now we're gonna hop on a train and we're gonna head to a little town called Agave. That's where Yves Rocher's Botanical Gardens are, and they have an eco spa. So we're gonna spend the day tomorrow there and then head to the train station. What does that say? Run. Men? Enjoy the Parisian men. We'll take it like that. And see you very soon.
Did they say men?
Does it say men?
Know that you're married.